come spend the most perfect beach day with me in St. Pete, Florida. Like all good days, I started out at a little cafe. This was one that I've never been to before. It's a little French cafe near St. Pete Beach, and it was really delicious and super aesthetic inside as well, so I will definitely be going back. And then once I got to the beach, I of course had to take a little ocean dip because it's been really hot here, so you cannot go to the beach without getting in the water. And then I started looking for seashells because every time I go to the beach, I have to look for seashells. There's so many beautiful ones and you never know what you're gonna find, and I just think it's really fun. I spent the rest of the day just relaxing and reading my book, and it was honestly such a perfect beach day.